Meaning of flat.
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 Flat. Flat is an adjective that describes something that is level or without a slope. In other words, it is a surface that is smooth and even, without any bumps or hills. This term can be used to describe physical objects, such as a piece of paper or a tire, as well as abstract concepts, such as emotions or tones in music. A flat surface can aid in stability, ease of movement, and balance. It is also commonly used in the construction industry to describe a type of dwelling that has all of its living space on one floor.